Hey friends, it's Nadine from the Maker's Heart Studio and welcome to my channel. I am so excited to show you guys what's in this box. What's in this box, guys? This is from Ingrid from Open.Journey, and I already know what's in there because I've seen unboxing and I'm on her design team, so I kind of know what's in this box, but I wanted to do my own unboxing video because, well, I just like doing unboxing videos. So yeah, that's kind of melodramatic. So let's just cut this open right here. I have not been on social media for a while because of work. I'm a doula, so I'm always getting clients. And recently I had a set of twins and just a lot of work helping them adjust to life out of the belly. So anyway, so the box is open and here we have, let's take this off. Ooh, we got two kits, guys. So guess what? Should I do them both? Maybe I should, right? So let's deal with this one first. I think this is called the gift, receiving the gifts, which I have. I don't know what's in here in terms of, like I've seen some of the videos, but I haven't looked at all of them because I wanted to be surprised myself. So we look at this later. Let's put this aside. But I do know what's in this one. So let us move this aside and go. So this is the little card you get from Ingrid. So very cute. And her artwork is all done by her. It's beautiful. And I love all of her washi tape. I have to ask her where she got this heart washi tape from. And I am all about keeping all the things. So even this paper, I'm going to keep to use in my journaling. So, and the washi tape and everything. Now guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. Now first of all, I have seen the unboxings of this kit, and I've seen different color ribbons and the prayer rope here, and I'll tell you guys, this is my favorite color, one of my favorite colors. So I am very, very happy about this. So let's put on the prayer rope right here, and this can tell you more about this as I do other videos about this kit. But this is the prayer rope here. Isn't that the prettiest prayer rope? And just open up the sash. Well, we don't have to, right? Look at the fabric, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna use this fabric with something I don't know what yet. You know, normally I guess I will just like fold it over and put some, maybe some chamomile or some lavender in there. Let's put that right there for a second. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay. This is a journal, and if you've seen me, I've been using some of the elements in this kit to make some prayer cards, and some of the elements that you have seen me use is this phone that I love, and also the hearts, because this kit is also in printable form on her Etsy store. So go over there and see it. It's called Open.Journey, and you would see the printables for this. So if you are also thinking of getting the printables, so you can have the small elements and you can print as much as you want, go over there and get the printables, and you can print them as much as you want on different papers and stuff. So let's go through this a little bit here. This is called Pray Without Ceasing, and you know what, we really have to pray without ceasing. This is something that I need to do more of personally in my own life, to do more of praying, but not just more of praying, but more of believing what I pray for and expecting what I had asked God for, and just laid it down and just believing it's finished. You know, I've been listening to Joel Osteen, accidentally, by the way, finding him on Facebook Live as I was scrolling, and it's been such a blessing. And he talks about prayer and praying and believing God and just waiting. And there's that heart, guys. There's this heart that I love. Give me a second. Let me show you what I have done with the printables, because I just have to show you guys. So I made some of these cards with the printables from this kit. Ideally I want to make some sort of memory decks card, but I haven't gotten there yet. So right now they are just going to be in this little box right here, which can close because I just need to close things. And it's just regular index card, and index cards. So this is the heart prayer card that I made. Behind there, I'm going to write a prayer. As I said, I haven't done much because I have been with twins and helping with breastfeeding and lactation and sleep and new moms and postpartum and all that good stuff. So this is the heart. It's actually the same size, guys. The printable is actually the same size as in the book. And these are just the printables that I've used. So we got the printables. I got the printables online and printed them out and used them to make these cards, right? So these are what I used with the printables. Sorry, those are what I did with the printables. So let's turn. And this is really good reading. The font is great. It's really big. Guys, I wear glasses now because I'm 45 years old. And, I don't see the way I used to. I'm believing God for healing. But it's really, I believe, social media, looking on IG, looking on Facebook, Googling stuff, especially for my clients, has really caused my eyes to have a strain. So just be careful if you're always on there. Don't we just love this? Look at this. This is so beautiful. And I believe that for the printables, she has the same sort of element or background or layout or whatever you want to call it there. So you can have this. I love this. It is almost as though you can touch it. It's almost like it looks puffy, but it's not. It's flat. And it's absolutely beautiful. I have no idea. It looks as though she wrote everyone with her hand, because not one of them is the same, right? You can tell they're very different. It's so beautiful, right, guys? And it's just say pray, 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 pray. You know what? We just have to pray, pray, pray. God is going to answer. Pray without ceasing. Here's another one. These are really frameable stuff, and I love it. And then look at the prayer rope. Now, I got a blue one, guys. Look, see? I love this. This is so beautiful. So this is devotional that you get, and of course you have a space to write right there. And this is it. It is perfect, perfect, perfect. And I will show you guys what I've been doing with this devotional, right? So that's this. And then here we go on this side. Excuse my classical music. I love classical music. I don't know who else loves classical music. I do. Unfortunately, I like classical music more than I like Christian music, only because it is so comforting and it's just distressing me, and I can get really stressed out just from work alone. But God is good. He created great musicians who can play beautiful music like David to calm our spirits, right? And so you can use music as a form of therapy, which I do. And I tell my moms too, but this is not about music, all right? So I just digressed. Look at this, guys. This is kind of like washi tape, pray, pray, pray. I love this. I do. I love this so much. It's just, and the quality is so good. Now, my printer is not the best printer, only because I have this subscription ink that I use that's not the best. So I believe that you may get one of these. I think so. I can't remember. Please forgive me. I can't remember. You may get some washi tape printables in the printable section, but it's not like this. This is beautiful, guys. It is so worth your money. You get a lot. So this here is your pray, pray, pray washi tape. You have this here too. I believe this is sort of see-through. Clear. I could never tell which one is clear and which one isn't, but the texture is so rich. I don't know if you guys can see this well with my lighting, but this is so beautiful. This is the clear ones here. Let's see. Yeah, so this is clear, transparent. I don't really use transparent stuff because I never really know how to, but I'm going to use this. I'm excited to use this one. And these also are transparent. And then we have, of course, our words. We always get words in a sort of a typewriter font. And this time it's really big so you can see it. And I love to be able to see stuff. And here it is again. Remember that, guys? The sort of font with the pray, pray, pray. And it's so pretty. I love this. This is so cute. So beautiful. And the flowers. Now, to be honest, I don't want to cut this. I just want to leave this like this because I love this telephone. I absolutely love this telephone so, so much. And I want to show you guys what I did with this telephone from the printable. So this is my Open.Journey folder with all the kits that I've ever purchased from her. And this is what I did with it. This is actually going to be in my Bible. I created this for my Bible layout. And it's like a little envelope thingy here. And then you could take this out and you can write. So that's what I did with this. And I was able to blow this up because it was a printable. So I just blew it up as much as I could, right? So I'll show you guys more about how I'm using this binder to do her kits. Because I changed things up a bit, only because, you know, like I live in Brooklyn in a small apartment, so I don't have a lot of space for a lot of songs. So I need to, you know, consolidate. What's inside? She always gives us a card about what's inside, but this time she went overboard, and I love this. It's kind of slanted, and I just love that. But look at this card, guys. It's so beautiful. And if you take a look really well, you can see how the white flower just pops up from the paper over the heart. And a bookmark, of course. And so that is this set right here. Don't go yet. Video is like 11 minutes and still haven't gotten through this part. So this part is my favorite part because this is where you get your stamps and all your fun things. So you have a little stencil thingy, and I already know what I'm gonna do with that. So I'm so excited. This is gonna go in my little prayer journal because I have several prayer journals, guys, but this is gonna go in the travel one because it's the same size as my travel journal. So let me get it out for you. This is my travel journal. Don't laugh at me, guys, okay? This is the prayer. This is gonna go right in there, okay? That's gonna go right in there. It's gonna fit nicely. So that's gonna go there. And just let me digress. So this I take with me all the time. That's why it looks like rough. It's been through everything. It's been through every backpack. It's been on a bike. It's been on a subway. And you could tell, look, I'm just like working through Charles Stanley stuff there, and I'll show you guys. And that's just for my personal daily walk with the Lord. Okay, so let's go back here. So this is gonna go there. And look, we have we have this too. Cool. Okay, so let's put that like so. I guess. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Oh, and look, we have cards, guys. We have more cards. And I love that there's a little punch there. Now, I'm sure there's a reason because, you know, you guys remember those little books that you got as kids? And it's like a peekaboo book. You can make a peekaboo kind of thing with us, right? I'm telling you, sky's the limit with imagination. So we have these here. So don't get distracted by the fact that there are holes in here. Use your creativity. You can put like little flowers in there. You can put ties in there. I mean, there is nothing you cannot do with these, and the shapes of them are really cool. Oh, wait a minute. Look, I think, okay, guys. I think that the cutout parts are in here. Look, right here. Okay, pray without ceasing. You know, guys, I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna use this little envelope part. Let's see how long my video is. Okay, 14 minutes, that's too long. Oh yeah, okay, anyway. Pray without ceasing. These are all like hard cardstocks and stuff like this. And, you know, I see my friend planning, Johnny. She likes to make these little things where, like, you know, you put it in there and it kind of like goes back and forth. I guess you can put like a thread in there and kind of make it like go so back and forth like that. Isn't that cool? Look, I just gave you an idea, you know. And here we have some more of these. So these belong in there. So we can do like which of these things belong together. I'm not gonna sing. My friend laughed at me when I sang. And here we have some more heartstock paper and all these other cool little things. I've been really waiting for these really hard hearts. I love this. And you know what? It came out so much better in VO than on my my own printer. If you can tell the difference, guys, look at that. You can tell the difference. You know, this is just such a better quality, and the flower pops up from this one. This is from my own printer, but just remember that my printer is really old and my ink is not the best. So I think everyone else's printer is doing a fabulous job except mine, but that's okay, because these are called embellishments, right? Sorry, ephemera. And if you look up the meaning of the word ephemera, it means to be used and tossed away. But we're not going to toss this away. Look at this. Listen. Okay, so this is my cue that says, okay, I think I've been talking too much. It's time for me to end my video with the stamps, the praise stamps. So I love this praise stamp. I do. I really do. You can pray. You can put praying for his name, a little dash there. They are perfect. Ingrid, I just want to thank you so much for this beautiful kit. We got a lot of work with, girl. And all the work that you have done for this kit, in particular this, you know how you made this and how you had the ladies on the mission trip make these. Thank you so much. I look forward to using them. I hope that others are excited to get this kit and use it. And as they use it, they will pray and see how God is going to move in their life. So this is the unboxing of prayer of the heart, and I don't have enough time to do the other one, so I'll do it in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Hey friends, this is Nadine from the Maker's Heart Studio. If you love what you see, please subscribe, share with your friends, and thank you for watching.